it's Faye. We are having a 20% off deal. It starts from today all the way until December 2nd. So make sure you grab my lipstick. This deal is only for Prime members on Amazon. So if you are, again, at 20% off, the link is down below. Let's get started. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love that you guys have been tagging me online, whether you wear my lipstick naturally or you build it up with confidence. Again, if you're an Amazon Prime member, then make sure you get my lipstick because it is 20% off until December 2nd. So go, go, go! The link is down below.